Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME P3 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list. Find the contact which you'd like to block and then tap on it. I'll pick maybe this one. And after entering the contact, you have to scroll down to those contact settings and tap on block numbers. Let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. And simply tap on block. And as you can see right here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist, because this is the second way of blocking the number. So now it doesn't really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recent or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here in this general list, we have to tap on blocked numbers, and that's the number we blocked, or actually two numbers we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option works. We've got also the option add a phone number. So here all we have to do is to enter the number manually and tap on block, and it will be immediately applied. Moreover, at the top we've got the option unknown. We can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and basically you can block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.